Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete or how to remove pop-ups in Google Chrome browser. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Google Chrome browser. So I'm clicking on this startup menu and searching here Chrome, and you will see the exact application icon here. Open it, and after then click on this three dot bar on the top right corner, and after then normally choose settings, and here you will get an option privacy and security. Click on it, and if you scroll down a bit again, you will get an option site settings. And now if you scroll down, you will see that pop-ups and redirects. Choose it, and after then normally choose it as don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. And if you select it, all of the pop-ups will be removed from your Google Chrome browser. So thanks for watching. Now you know how to remove or how to delete pop-ups in Google Chrome browser. Allah Hafiz.